Today, we'll delve into the fundamental analysis of Gujarat Pipavav Port, unraveling its core operations, financials, and future prospects. Industry insights. In a landscape where global trade dynamics are shifting due to factors like China's economic shifts and Western inflation, port congestion has notably improved. Container availability has transitioned from scarcity to a surplus, although ocean freight rates, while lower than peak COVID times, still hover above pre-pandemic levels. According to the World Trade Organization, global trade is forecasted to hover around 1.7% in 2023 due to high inflation and financial uncertainties, expecting a sharp rise to 3.2% in 2024. In 2023, the west coast of India saw a 4% increase in container volume, primarily driven by imports, impacting export volumes to Western nations. With over 200 ports along its 7,516.6 km coastline, India holds a competitive edge in the sector. Company overview. Gujarat Pipavav Port Limited, established in 1992 to construct, operate, and maintain an all-weather port in Gujarat's Amreli district. Strategically located 140 km from Bhavnagar and 152 nautical miles northwest of Mumbai, this port serves as a crucial hub connecting India to global destinations, with a container handling capacity of 1.35 million TEUs, a bulk cargo capacity ranging from 4 to 5 million metric tons, and the capability to handle approximately 2 million metric tons of liquid cargo. Gujarat Pipavav Port stands as the first private sector port in India. Financial insights. Analyzing the financials, the company's revenue witnessed an upswing, reaching 967.95 crore rupees in FY23, with a compound annual growth rate (CAGR) of 6.68% from FY19 to FY23. This growth stemmed from stabilized shipping schedules post-COVID and the introduction of new services. Although net profits dipped in FY21 and FY22, FY23 marked a resurgence with 236.68 crore rupees, constituting a 7.25% CAGR from FY19 to FY23. Margin analysis reveals a slight decline in operating profit margins in FY23 at 54.76%, attributed to increased operational expenses. However, net profit margins rose to 31.89% owing to the company's shift to a lower tax regime. Return ratios, such as ROE and ROAS, indicate a below-average performance, hovering around 14.07% and 18.5% respectively in FY23, suggesting the company has room for improving returns to shareholders and resource utilization efficiency. Future prospects. Looking ahead, Gujarat Pipavav Port has undertaken various initiatives to bolster its future, commissioning additional warehouses and railway equipment, upgrading existing infrastructure to handle larger vessels, investing in port infrastructure to expand liquid cargo capacity and exploring new opportunities in car exports. Key metrics. With essential metrics like a market cap of 6,869.68 crore rupees, ROAS of 18.50%, ROE of 14.07%, and a net profit margin of 34.15%, the company shows promise in capturing sectoral growth. In conclusion, Gujarat Pipavav Port seems poised to leverage its operational strengths and expansion plans to tap into future growth. With high margins and potential revenue increases, the company could chart a favorable course ahead. What are your thoughts on this company's trajectory? Share your insights in the comments below.